So what's one piece of advice you would give to a struggling trader, Bob?
Well, I would say, people have talked about psychology a lot, and my feeling is that you have to know, you talk a lot in the webinar on Monday morning about that you need to know how your T+0 line is going to react, how your trading software is going to either accurately represent what your T+0 line is going to do or not. But I think just as importantly, and perhaps more importantly, that you need to know how you're going to react.
Mm.
Not when things are going swimmingly well or just okay and you can sit there, but when it really hits the fan. When you may have
Right.
2 or 3 trades and they don't want to fill your adjustments and things are going badly and how are you going to react? Are you going to deal with it? Are you going to start intraday trading when your back testing showed, because every time you back test the next day, you click and you're there in 15
Yeah.
seconds, as opposed to sitting there all day and watching your net lick drop, through the floor?